Welcome to EDU 7211, Educational Research and Data Analysis Part 2. This course extends the study of statistical inquiry that you began in EDU 3285. It will address more advanced univariate inferential statistical methods, principles of measurement, internal validity, power analyses, and effect size. You'll be able to have some hands-on opportunities to utilize SPSS to figure out some data analytical techniques such as chi-square, bivariate, and multiple correlation and regression analysis. In this class, we're going to have 5 units, just like the other one this summer. The first one is really a primer and a refresher on some of the statistical methods that you learned in 3285, but we're going to be looking at the historical trends of teaching statistics, how to select the appropriate data analytical technique, and when and why do we choose these to resolve our research questions in educational research. In Unit 2, we're going to be looking at sampling procedures, populations, and looking at demographics, and how can we effectively utilize those to really sink in and go deeper with our research questions. You'll investigate the nature of collecting and analyzing data using these sampling procedures, the methodological selection of a sample from a larger population, and examining demographics of a population, which of course include gender, ethnicity, socioeconomic status, etc. We're going to be looking at data sorting, classification, customization, and evolving norms in these fields. In Unit 3, we're going to be looking at instrumentation and seeing what instruments are very popular in our field to resolve particular research questions, for example, reading motivation. And then when you don't have the right instrument in place, how can we create those ourselves? And while it's still ensuring validity, reliability, and fidelity in terms of treatment of those assessments. And then in the 4th unit, we're going to be looking back at univariate analysis, but from a more complex nature. These are going to be 1- and 2-way ANOVAs, the assumptions and diagnostics that lie thereof, the omnibus test, post hoc tests, effect sizes, power, and interaction effects. And finally, in the 5th unit, we're going to be looking at multivariate analysis and investigating ANOVAs, MANOVAs, MANCOVAs, and exploring PCA, principal component analysis, as well as factor analysis. And leading up to the final project, which is really going to be looking at a case study and coming up with effective ways to analyze the data that's embedded within that study. Along the way, there's going to be multiple discussion boards, voice threads, and other activities that will contribute to your learning of statistics and hopefully deepening your knowledge of research design using quantitative methods. I am looking forward to working with you in this class, and I wish you all the best. As always, take care.